Hi, welcome Priya. I upload videos every Tuesday and Saturday on fashion, styling, DIY, stitching, tailoring, beauty and reuse ideas. Please do subscribe to my channel. It's free. The subscribe is below my video. Do press the red button to turn it into grey so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Also, this will be useful for me too. Thanks to all those who have already subscribed to my channel. Today, in my last video, I had shared how to stitch palazzo out of a dress material bottom piece. In today's video, I'll be using the same materials, kurta portion or the top portion, to stitch a 3/4 sleeves kurta. The video is on that. The first three views are of the dress material. Now for marking, I'll be placing the kurta double folded and not double, 4 folded, and placing it on my below my stitched kurta to mark it. I'll be using opposite color chalk to mark it. For cutting, I'll be cutting the bigger size as usual, as I have shared in my previous videos. In case if you're watching for the first time, you can check out my previous stitching videos or reuse ideas so that you get an idea of how I'll be stitching. The links are mentioned in the description box below. As this is a zipped kurta, black one, so I'll be marking the neck with the other kurta which has a similar neck. Now I'll cut the neck on one portion of the cloth and one will be smaller as it will go backside. To do neck portion and finishing, I'll be using a straight cloth which is 4 cm in width, and length will be quite longer because I'll be double folding it in the corners or in the points so that I get a finished look. Also, for doing this, you have to turn the machine whenever it comes to the point by double folding the cloth there and stitching it in the pattern. Once you are done stitching, then cut the corners or the sides as shown in the video. Give a single cut till where you have done the stitching. After you cut all the corners a little bit, then turn it, flip over and press stitch it. Now when you are doing the press stitch, you should get the exact front side on the straight 4 cm cloth. Complete it on the full neck portion from the starting to end. Turn it wherever corners are there using the pedal of the foot. Lift it, don't lift the needle, just move the cloth, again place it properly and then start your machine to sew it. After you finish stitching complete neck in this pattern, then again turn it, double fold it and stitch it. Again similarly turning it wherever the corners come. Now this will take a long time, so do it a bit slowly. After you are done with the front neck, for the back neck, take a cross strip and then stitch it in the similar pattern I've showed in the how to stitch long palazzo to a short kurti. If you don't have a long cross strip, then you can cut 2 pieces and join it together. Now for sleeves, I'll be marking with the help of my old black kurta, and then I'll get the sleeves. Front side sleeves are a bit smaller and the back side will come a bit bigger, so you can cut accordingly, placing one up on the other. Now before stitching, try measuring it from the middle, mark it with the cut in between, so that just give a small cross cut so that you get an idea where the middle portion should come. Hold it from the center to the sides, both the sides. If it comes correct, then you can just join it with the help of sewing machine. Refer to as shown in video. Now before stitching, measure both the sides of the sleeves on back as well as the front side so that you don't go wrong. While stitching, first start from the center, then to the ends of the cloth. Then again start from the center and then first sew one of the side, either back or the front, and then again the other one. Once you complete the full round in this manner, then start from one of the side, either back or front, and then complete it to the end. Double stitch the sleeve with the cloth. Repeat the same with the other sleeve. Now I'll be attaching the borders to the end of the sleeves. You can attach it or you can avoid. The choice is up to you. If you are not attaching it, you can directly sew it, or else if you want to attach it, you can attach it before joining the sleeves to the top portion, or you can attach it after you join the sleeves. For that, again I took 4 cm cloth like how I took it before for the front neck, then attached it from the wrong side or the back side of the cloth, and then I brought it to the front by press stitching it, and then double folded it and stitched it as before I did it for the neck. Here the only difference is it's a straight stitching, it won't go zigzag. If you don't want to attach a border, you can just double fold and seam the ends. Now after you attach both the sleeves in this manner, then place the cloth and then place a stitched kurta to measure where you want to stitch it and make it of your measure. I'll be marking the stitched portions measurements on the chest, waist and on the sleeves. Once I get the measurement where to stitch it, then I'll stitch up both the ends as shown in the video on the side waist, starting from the sleeves till the waist portion, and stitch it till where I want a cut. Now again I'll be attaching a border in the end or the bottommost portion of the kurta. For that I'll be taking the double cloth approximately, as in for the sleeves and for the top neck portion I took 4 cm, so here I'll be taking 7.5 or 8 cm. Again, if you fall in short of a cloth, I'll be joining to 1 or 2 cloth extra. This will be a straight cloth again, not cross or biased. I'll be attaching this from the wrong side, then press stitching it, then double folding it and bringing it to the front side. Once I'm done with this, then I'll be stitching the sides of the cloths by just double folding it. Similarly, I have done this on the front as well as the back side. For all the borders, front neck, back neck, 2 sleeves as well as the bottommost portion of the kurtas, 8 cm width piece, I have used the salwar or the plazo stitched leftover cloth to stitch it. And this is how it looks from back side after stitching. Then from the front side, these are wrong sides, and then the final look from the front side and the back side. Thank you for watching so far. Hope it was useful. If you don't know stitching, you can cut it in this pattern and give it to a tailor, or show this video. In case if you liked it, please do give it a like, and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Bye.